What's up? Fries. We're getting fries from 5 different places. One is Wendy's, McDonald's, Checkers, Arby's, and what's the last guy? What's the last one?
Five Guys.
Five Guys is number 5. Get it? Do you get it? Can you dig that, sucker? Okay.
We're each gonna get a small fry. And we're gonna get one small fry.
Okay, let's go. Nope, I have it. I get it this time. I get that thingamajig with our waters. Hey, what the what?
Have your water back.
How about no? Look at Lucas.
Y'all got something?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got water.
Yeah, I got water.
Yeah, we got water.
Nine.
Ow,
Ow, that hurt.
Fun. Yes. Yes. Say hi. That's Turtle. We got they got Squad Paw. Hey, hi there, Daddy. Put up the sign.
Huh?
Like this. No. No, your thumb's up like that. Oh, wait, here's the sign. Wait, where's Mimi?
Is she gonna win?
Yeah. And that's the sign. Yeah, Burma.
What? How do you do that?
So it's like this, but put your thumb in between your ring finger and middle finger like that. Yep. Hey, yeah. Roll.
That's my face. That's my nose. How about you stop?
In the name.
Stop. In the name of the.
I'll get your water.
In the name of I don't know. Lucas is on top of me.
Free butt woman.
Hey, Lucas.
Where's my water?
No, he took my water.
Here we go, pee-pee.
Charlie bit me. Charlie beat me.
Owie.
You really think
want
you're
water?
freaking funny?
Go get your water.
You really think you're freaking funny? No. Okay, yeah.
My water's more stable.
Says the water that falls off. It's like music. Okay.
Hello? Yes, this is David.
What is happening in my life right now?
Other daddy's on the phone. How come Tom like that board? That's driving me crazy. Because I know I have some.
Oh, yeah, books. I want green one.
Right,
Here.
Wednesday after
Here's a
the
pencil.
Memorial
Here's
Day.
pens.
I want pins.
Not this Wednesday, but the following Wednesday.
Okay. Y'all don't start.
Okay.
We'll be out of there before, we'll be out of there by 3.
Hey!
Oh, film the
All right.
ride.
Oh no, that Like I said, that won't be any problem. Because our unit's going to go right back. Our unit's going to fit right back up there.
Now put on seatbelt.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Maybe.
No, that's right. How do you edit?
How do you edit?
Pencil fell.
Oh, I'll get it. Our categories are taste, seasoning, and presentation. 1 to 5.
Where's the pad? I'm throwing my gum out.
What are you doing?
I was throwing my gum out.
Come out, step on it.
Tony's brother.
Make sheets. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh.
What's the first place? Wendy's?
Wendy's. Chick, is that what?
Oh, we should have done chick.
You shouldn't chick.
First place maybe Checkers.
Okay, checkers.
Hey, checker.
You want the checkers first?
I guess. I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh,
How
checker.
they line up over here?
Dimple. Dimple.
Just a small fry from every place, and then we can pick which.
Small fry.
And then me and Jake are gonna pick which place we want our whole meal. But we also have to eat the fried chicken.
Probably gonna be Wendy's.
Mine's probably gonna be Arby's.
No, it's only we both like Wendy's.
Arby's.
Wendy's.
Arby's.
Dimple. Dimple.
Jake, we're going
Dimple.
to 15. We're going to 5 places. You can get 5 guys, Arby's, Checkers, Wendy's.
It's been a while since we had checkers.
You want to get Checkers?
How about this? Whoever wins, that's who we're going to.
Yeah.
You won't know until you taste it all, huh?
Yeah, that's a good point.
You already know.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Let's just pick whichever meal. I want Arby's. What do you want?
I want 5 guys.
Oh, Jake wants 5 guys.
Because
Okay.
it's been a while. Rock, paper, scissors.
Nah.
The most intense game of rock, paper, scissors.
Jake, we can just go to both.
Oh.
Because we're going to both. Already. Or we can just get a whole meal.
No, it's all John. Collinsworth today. I got with Andy. He said, well, we watched a movie. That's the most we did. He said, I'm kind of in the social distancing thing. He's spraying yards.
Is it small?
For a guy that just started this company, he's been doing it for a while. He said they did it all down.
Small fry.
One of the doctors, all the family has it. He said, we don't really see most of them.
I wonder if that's what's his name.
Starts with an S.
What was the guy who was a debutante? Lived downtown.
This is a family.
And he had a
Lonnie Bay that was
a lawn bed.
No.
Chicken rich. Small
He
fry.
does all this.
Chicken rich. Tabakapaku kaku. Kabakamatinta. Hill on Wasa. Every whole team. I mean, now would be to show you a sneak peek of my song coming out.
She didn't injure her knee, but it's just somehow the way the bone
Dead shot.
grows or something. It's hereditary.
I want
Dead shot. I'm a dead shot, y'all. Dead shot. I'm a dead shot, y'all. Dead shot. I'm a dead shot. Dead shot. I'm a dead shot, y'all. Yeah.
Hospital family says
Yeah,
he short
yeah.
Jake, it's seriously 6 words.
Yeah.
Cotton candy, what? They have cotton candy ice cream there.
Breaking your legs, snapping your ankles, shooting those threes, being the tangles.
And that was a lot better this time. And I can't possibly admit I've been worse this time than I was the last time.
Yeah.
Breaking your legs, snapping your legs, breaking your ankles, shooting those threes, shooting those threes
I don't think
like
so.
Catan.
I mean, I was only one there. And then
I don't even give a
we should
damn.
shut the shit for a while.
Maybe today was Daddy's first work day.
Hey, oh, hey, oh. Everything was down about here. Yeah. Shooting those threes. Hit the slam dunk.
Talking about that cream.
The slam dunk. Be like, what's up, you mother? You mother.
Just a sore throat.
Dirt.
It's not gonna go away.
It's
You
time
need
to
that
run her. Location, driving up past you. And one day you did shot. I'm a dead by your dead shot. I'm a dead shot, your dead shot.
on with my-
I'm a dead shot. Dead shot.
Marco.
I'm a dead shot, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's go. Throw me a ball for the touchdown, yo. Okay. Running you over. Okay. This game's already over, and we just
I think
had
we're gonna
gone.
go.
You sure has missed seeing y'all. Mommy said school's gonna start the 17th. Is that right?
I think we're gonna be going to check on stuff.
Okay. Checkers.
Checkers.
Dun, 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 dun,
Well,
dun.
today he didn't do. I mean, he didn't have to pay us a
Bam,
fine.
bam.
$140.
Sing that beat. Go. Bam, 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 bam. That's the beat. Do the beat. Bam, bam, bam. Tabaco, ka, cinto, tabaca, 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 ding. Oi, oi.
I can edit it out. I think it's great.
Sure about that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can cut it. But the boo, stuff.
You can get that and still
Hi.
it's HVAC light.
Hi, that's a water
Man,
bottle.
you get to change
That's a
that.
water
Like
bottle.
doing it.
That's a water
You ever get his thing from David?
turd bottle. Hey,
Well, he didn't want to have
Jacob, actually, I
look, it's freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. Sing. I'll give you a beat and you gotta sing.
Okay,
Bam,
so your pool,
bam,
Mommy said
wow.
that she texted and
Come on,
Jim
now,
didn't
you
text.
Uh.
But they haven't made a decision yet, boys. When did you find out about the pool?
I don't.
I don't know when
Never
I've been told.
know.
I don't know what I've been told.
I don't.
You just assume it's going to open Friday, or somebody told you?
Mommy said
Mommy said that.
I saw in the paper where all the pools were open.
Don't have your monitor stuff.
that. I mean, Mommy went to a
She
pool a
told-
couple days ago.
Yeah, she told me when she was at the house all this. She brought it up. She said she texted, and the lady finally texted her back and said she hadn't talked to the guy that owned the place, but she said I had Jillian text and somebody else text. She said I'd say, well, you know, right now most of the parents are home, the kids are home, we give them something to do,
Yeah.
and the social distancing in the pool. It's like Ryan said. He said, like one of the guys up there, he said, you know, they're kind of the mountains look a little different
This
anyway.
pin doesn't
And he
work.
said, well, if you see a bunch of kids playing together real close, you'll just have to blow the whistle and let everybody take a break for a while to separate them. And Brian said, you know, y'all got to make a decision because if kids are in the pool, you can't keep them
Yeah,
apart.
I've heard the chlorinated water will kill the virus.
Well, then our pool's definitely fine because there's more chlorine in that thing than I've ever seen.
Jake, there's more chlorine in there than
In
normal
fact, they're
water.
talking about opening up the Redneck Water Park and that Splash and Bessemer and all those
Well,
places.
at least, I mean, germs still spread, but if you're outside, they're not adhering to, like, you know, carpet or who knows. You just have, you
I don't
can't
see
live in a
any
bubble.
way. I don't see any way a germ could live in a chlorinated pool.
Especially our pool.
Yeah, but I'm talking about its pools are cold too. So
People sneeze and, well, but I guess the minute it hits the chlorine.
people are sneezing, all kind of stuff in the pool.
Redneck Water Park.
Going on.
Can we go to Redneck Water Park this summer?
Sometime we'll have to go. That's fully opens it up. But I have to go pick a day where it's not raining. Of course, really, it rained and kind of cooled it down a little bit. I mean,
Yeah.
think about it.
Wait, Jake, remember that one drop thing?
Yeah.
Me and you were the only ones who did it. I'm surprised Trey didn't do
Did you
it.
tell Lucas about
Trey was going to do it, but he was like, no, what? I'm just not because he felt that he was going to leave Jack out. That's what he told me. He said he didn't want to leave Jack out.
Okay, Lucas, did Jake tell you about the bear that came in the house
Oh, yeah.
on the mountain?
I didn't tell him.
Gatlinburg. A couple weeks ago, a bear came in the downstairs, like where y'all were in the cabin,
Yeah.
and he went inside
Yeah.
He took 5 pounds of Reese cups, a pound of M&Ms, a pound of Sour Patch. They had them in those big bags, I guess. 2 Diet Coke and 2 beer. And there were 3 beers on the outside, I guess on the porch, but they didn't come in. So I guess the people ran out the front and they called the police. And the police got them out, shooting them out, and they ran off or something. But Jake said that sounded like our M&M's. Reese.
Yeah.
I guess they had those big bags, you know, they brought to stay for the week or whatever. That's why they knew how many pounds.
Yeah. When we went to Gatlinburg, I wish we would have stayed for like the entire week.
Yeah. We could have gone to Caves Cove and looked for deer one day. We should have done, and then we could have done Dollywood 2 days. That's the best thing to do, is to split it up.
Yeah.
That way you don't get so tired. Because when we got to that one area, your dad was getting tired. Everybody was tired. But y'all didn't get to do the little fair thing. Well, actually, y'all did a lot more than you think. Because most times at Dollywood, the lines would be so long. That's why you could benefit from doing 2 days. Y'all didn't wait in line for anything, really.
There was a couple things,
Yeah,
but
nothing like
Nothing
normal.
like normal.
A lot of times you gotta wait about an hour. every
Especially all
ride.
those roller coasters.
wow.
So really, that was kind of,
The longest we waited was like 30 minutes.
and that was at that Cars, wasn't it? That little car thing.
Yeah.
Really, y'all rode just about everything in the park in one day. You think about it. You
Yeah.
don't wait real long.
Yeah, they could never do that again.
You'll never have the crowd. It's the crowd thing.
I wonder why people didn't show up that
Because
day.
it was
Yeah,
raining.
yeah.
Remember, it was supposed to
And
be
they
a
said
bad
it was gonna
storm.
rain too.
Yeah.
In fact, we didn't go the first day because
We thought it was going to rain.
they were saying it was
remember?
gonna rain the first day. It didn't rain the first day either.
And then we ate breakfast and we hurried and did those little cars and stuff because we thought it was going to rain. So we thought y'all better do something outside before it rained, and then it never rained.
Wow.
And really, if we'd known that, because it doesn't cost much more for a 2-day ticket than it does for a day ticket.
I remember when we went to Disney World with Trey, every day we would almost ride every single ride in that one area. Because there was like
Animal Kingdom?
Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, and all of them. We rode every single ride in all of them.
Is Disney World open yet? When's it open?
It looks like the Checkers is right up here.
We could have had a jack on our video.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I've never had their fries.
Yeah, but
I like crinkle fries. Who of you don't like crinkle fries? I like
Me and Daddy don't like crinkle fries.
I like crinkle fries. I like crinkle fries. I like
There's
crinkle-
Trey's favorite place.
crinkle.
To our left. Popeyes. Yep, looks like Checkers is first.
Checkers number
Yeah,
one.
just a
Can
small
you go
fry.
on both sides of this thing?
Oh, I
No.
have no idea.
You need to go on this side.
Yeah, you can. Big Surf slushy. What? Kool-Aid slushies. What?
We're gonna test this statement.
I want blue raspberry. I want blue raspberry.
We're gonna test that statement. Number one voted most craveable fries. We're testing that
I want
today.
blueberry slushy.
We
I
are
thought you got a drink.
testing that today.
That's weird.
Wow. Zooming power.
Check here. No, I just
You
right
get a
no.
slushy.
All right, if y'all have
If y'all
one,
get a slushy and you spill it in this car, I'm gonna knock the hell out of both of you.
Famous seasoned fries. You probably can't see that, but it says famous seasoned fries.
maybe we'll get something like that at the last place we go.
Yay! We can make it Wendy's and then we can get the Frosties.
Yeah, but I want a slushy.
Or it could be McDonald's and we get a McFlurry.
Flurry.
A McFlurry!
Did you order, other daddy?
Can't roll the window down.
I was just seeing if they were saying anything.
Homemade wheat. Homemade wheat.
Alright, maybe back on Pop's boat.
Nope.
Big Buford looks pretty.
Funnel cake fries, where?
Right here on this side.
Hello? Which one's the bad time to go?
Pretty bad at all these places right now. All they're eating out.
That's like perfect.
Oh my god, why is it so zoomed in? That's creepy.
What?
Nothing.
So zoomed in. Why would you like tear dance and stuff? Oh my god, they're in the air!
Is this just me, or do I look like I have white hair? Like,
Ow!
What are y'all doing?
Dang it.
You bit my finger.
I did not bite your finger. I bit
Bit!
it.
I said bit.
You said bite. Comment down below if it said bent or bite.
Y'all don't whistle loud. I want to hear the like the cat
Hello, yes sir. What would you like to eat, sir?
Is this gonna be good audio?
Oh. I want to say hi, Miss Evie. Get a
Stop,
seatbelt.
Lucas.
Miss his seatbelt. No, hi. High five.
What's this?
She don't want to do it, so.
Yeah.
He took my phone.
Oh my god, what? It's so...
Because it's me. Me.
Oh yes, can I get you?
It looks like they got some pretty good stuff here. The Baconzilla.
I want that.
A baconzilla. Should we just go inside? Like,
They don't have any inside.
they don't?
They're like Sonic.
They don't even have a place you can.
They normally do picnic tables.
They have boneless ones, but I'm sure that they have them.
What?
They have boneless ones. They have angry buffalo.
There's no angry buffalo.
Okay.
Say hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I like just a medium fry. That's it.
282. Hey, did anybody get $3?
I do at home.
If it's at home, it doesn't do you any good.
I know. Just saying that. Darking.
Oh wow, McDonald's is right there.
See, McDonald's is right there, and Sonic. He had said Sonic. Sonic.
I've never had.
Where's
some
Arby's
fries.
and Wendy's?
Is Arby's down here? Arby's and Wendy's?
And then Five Guys.
Five
Wait.
kids.
I don't know if we're gonna get the Five Guys. Off to the side. All right, I got you.
It's time to reveal the sheet. Okay.
Well, that's cool. They can stand up.
Somebody pushing a car right through the intersection right there now.
Where?
Well, you see where the police cars are?
Look, they're pushing it. See those guys pushing that car?
Oh my god.
Checkers. One is
Where are they pushing it?
for taste, 2 is for seasoning, and 3. Well, that's
Here we go. Here we go.
presentation.
are.
There you go.
I need it. Look at this one.
Get the food. Get the food.
I got it.
It's time for the.
Okay, yeah, just park somewhere.
Oh, at Parks?
Bwah.
Get line with
It's time for the first fry.
Okay, Jake, unfocus.
Wait. Show the fries.
Okay, we got some horizontal here. Okay.
Are y'all videoing it?
Yes.
Yeah, we're making a video for our YouTube channel.
Bwah.
That is little. Let's fry.
Do you want to park them in or do you want to?
Okay.
Whoa!
Imagine we'll be parked in this line right here, like all these other lines.
Okay.
Basket of fries, $3.
Okay.
Might be good for the presentation.
That's good.
Order ready.
Okay.
Yeah, I like a basket of fries.
Okay, we're already at the next place.
That'll do it.
There McDonald's.
Up to 7.
There.
No, it'll be 3 something.
$3.27. Dang, this is a whole $1 less.
We got a basket.
Or more.
All right.
Look at the presentation. It looks pretty good.
No, one of them was folded. I had a folded one.
Okay.
Ooh, fries in here. Ooh, they came wrapped in napkin.
It came wrapped in napkins.
So, okay. Let other daddy taste the Checkers fries.
We got presentation as well. Season. What I like on the fries is salt. There's not a lot of salt on this.
They're pretty tasty now.
Yeah, the taste is gonna be up there. Seasoning's gonna be down.
My presentation for it is 2.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you.
Seasoning,
high five.
This is a good presentation.
seasoning.
Other daddy got the basket.
Get it out.
Okay, Henry,
Here, I'll hold these.
Uh-oh.
I'll be checking.
Okay, because we want McDonald's hot.
There's McDonald's. I said 4 for the taste, 3
Be
for the
careful,
seasoning,
McDonald's real hot.
and 2 for the presentation.
Presentation 5.
See. Okay.
We got a
Are you
bass.
taking-
Don't drive too fast.
Yeah, I don't.
Whoa, those are hot.
Or they, that's what other daddy said. Okay, hold on to them while we get out.
They're really good.
Okay. Okay,
Okay, I gotta write my score down for Checkers.
presentation is 4.
Okay, for Checkers, taste, that's gonna be a 4.
We're already at Arby's.
We're going too fast!
You want to
Yeah.
park a minute?
Yeah, park a
Park
minute. Checkers, taste, 4. Seasoning, I'm gonna give that a 2. I don't really like that. Presentation 3. So a total score for me.
Yours was the same thing but flipped. I put the 2 for the third. Oh, Jake.
I got 9
I'll take
on
the one
Checkers.
McDonald's, right?
Other daddy wants a basket of fries.
Okay.
Okay.
We have some.
Seasoning, that's absolutely.
No, the total score for me is 9 as well.
Yeah.
Checkers.
Seasoning 3, taste 4. Let's give that.
McDonald's
that
fries
4.
are not real salty though. Usually McDonald's are real salty.
Yeah, I'm gonna change the. Yeah,
What is that?
3 for McDonald's seasoning. The presentation.
Total all 11 for me.
Presentation 4.
Okay, Mimi wants to try one of those other ones.
Checkers.
11 for me is McDonald's.
Same here. And then 9 for Checkers.
Yep.
Dang. Okay.
Give me that Checkers.
So far, Checkers to me is the best.
Checkers taste the best, but they don't have the highest score because of their presentation is not that good.
Yeah, that's what y'all got.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Actually, I'm changing the seasoning.
I don't like the seasoning. The
Because
seasoning,
I ate it.
there's not enough salt.
There's
What, in the McDonald's?
Yeah, it's not salt, it's pepper.
No, in Checkers.
I like pepper more.
Because to me, the McDonald's are so salty. It's almost like somebody didn't salt them down.
They like pepper.
Too
with it.
salty or not salty?
Not salty. Usually they're salty.
Okay.
For a McDonald's fry, that is not a normal.
Yeah,
salt.
they're not salty. That's why I only gave seasoning 3,
Wait,
not 4.
wait a second, Jake, we have to wash it down.
No, this one have more salt in the first.
Jake, we have to wash down.
I don't like the seasoning on Checkers fries.
Oh, you're eating it.
And what was the seasoning? They had a high score. 4 on taste. I had 2 on seasoning, 3 on presentation. Lucas had the
4-4-2.
You want any more
I
McDonald's
changed it.
fries?
I
Y'all
changed
want
that for
any more
8-1.
McDonald's
So Checkers has 10,
For me. 9 for you.
9 for me,
So
and
19.
McDonald's on both of us.
So 19.
So 19 is the total score for Checkers.
Y'all want any more McDonald's?
Yes, McDonald's.
You have
Wendy's, Arby's, and Five Guys. Five Guys, I've been told, is the best fry
It is.
by several people.
It is.
I've never had it, so.
You never had this pop?
Wait, is it a wrinkle fry?
No, it's a fresh fry.
All right,
Okay.
we're moving on. We're gonna try a little Barbies.
We're gonna get some curly fries.
curly fries.
I will say this. They definitely have the best curly fry. You know why? Because it's the only curly fry.
No, I have a feeling that this presentation is going to be really good. Because it's twirly.
I just want a small curly fries. That's all. Huh?
No, for a look at this.
Yes.
Look at the presentation.
Oh, look at this one.
Well,
They were all folded.
yeah, I'll fold them too. Lucas might be biased on this one.
Maybe. But the presentation is going to be so good.
They've all been different too. They're not
Yeah.
standard fries. If you think about it.
Yeah. I have a feeling Checkers and Arby's are going to be really similar.
McDonald's and Burger King would be more similar. I
You
would
know
think,
why?
than anybody.
You know why,
What?
Mimi? I think Checkers and Arby's are going to be probably the same.
I feel like
Because they look the
Wendy's
same.
and McDonald's are gonna be the same.
Wendy's used to have fat fries, and now they don't.
No, thank you. Right. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Here. I just want it now.
I'm giving Arby's seasoning a
Okay, you got
1
that.
just
However you
because
want
I
me to
don't
take
like
it.
their
What kind of
seasoning.
presentation does Arby's have?
We'll see here.
The napkins helped it out. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, the presentation.
Okay, napkins. Okay, this looks cool.
Bias alert. Hashtag cop bias in the comments.
What? Here.
Oh, that's sick.
Exactly. I told you it looks cool.
It looks cool.
I know. I told you they were gonna.
I'm
look
gonna
cool.
give presentation a 3 on this.
Okay, you're low. You're bad. 5 for me.
Oh my god, he is so biased.
No, I'm not, bro.
Wasn't that where it was? I don't know, but wasn't that where it was?
Yes, Jake. Wendy's is gonna. Okay, my turn to taste.
I didn't even get one. Presentation a 3.
I guess we're gonna have to just go to change it to Sonic.
Okay.
Okay.
Because there used to be a Wendy's. There's not a Wendy's over here.
Alright. Wendy's,
What?
now Sonic.
You saw her?
Oh my god.
Jake, I'm.
Seasoning 1. Ew.
Uh-huh.
No seasoning at all.
I would agree with that one.
Taste, I'm gonna give this a 3.
Now, Bojangles got some good fries. They got those big fries, kind of like
Taste is not that bad. It's like right in the middle, so I'm gonna give that a 3.
Actually, no. Seasoning? I'm gonna give it a 2.
Total score for Arby's for me 7.
Taste is either 4.5. What?
The seasoning's a 1. It was.
Give other daddy a
Can I say?
Here.
Jake, can I say 4.5?
Oh, look at the presentation, other daddy.
I said 4.5. So
Well, let him get across. He can't do it right now.
11.5 for Arby's for me. So 11 plus 7. No, 11.5 plus 7 is 18.5.
He is so biased.
Why?
How
The seasoning was bad though.
How did my score 7 go from 18 and a half? Look,
Not 18 and a half.
So far,
11 and a half.
Checkers
The
has the
total.
best.
total is 18 and a half. But Mickey D's Nuts is still in the lead with 22.
Mickey D's nuts. Okay, that's weird.
Hey, I'm
Weird.
look at the presentation right now. Presentation. You ruined the presentation.
And the green fries.
I like the checker one.
Okay, look at the presentation of it.
Looks pretty, not bad.
Not like the basket of fries.
I think they got some points for napkins though.
Okay, here. Here they.
Well, I gave him one.
So we changed Wendy's to
Sonic.
Sonic.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
yo. I like the checkers one. I like checkers and Arby's ones. I'm probably gonna like.
Was it where the hibachi is? Yeah, the hibachi used to be Wendy's.
Yeah, that's exactly right. You can see it there.
22 total,
You can see Wendy's there.
19 total, 18 and a half total. Wait, Checkers beat Arby's.
No, what did checkers have?
19.
I know. I mean, what was
No! What?
I'll just do Cyanic.
Cyanic. Oh, this is a long video. But I'm gonna edit it down.
Wait a second, Mimi.
Yeah.
Can we get like ice cream here? Is it known for ice cream?
That's for the daddy.
I mean, are y'all gonna eat supper or what?
Yeah, we are.
But I mean, I don't think you need to be eating ice cream before.
I know, like I'm talking like we can get it and just bring it back home.
Well, ice cream, if you get like a slushy, but ice cream melts.
Dang it.
There's so many different types of fries. I don't know which one to eat.
Killer milkshakes, Lucas. Don't they?
Oh,
I mean, or you
These
rather
are,
have
these are good milkshakes here.
well, this is Sonic.
I'll just look at him. I'll look at it first.
to make a decision.
Yeah. Cause they have like all these.
Oh, we're just going through the drive-through, aren't we?
Okay.
We just get the drive.
Drive-through city.
I'm not going
There's so many different types of fries.
You don't
I
want
can't.
a milkshake then. He's trying to decide, or slushy.
I might change
Decide when you
Checkers.
get drinks and stuff on the last stop.
Yeah.
I thought
Let's go to
Five Guys.
Five Guys last. Yes.
Yeah, just like a medium fry.
He's done small.
That's it.
Look, he did small for Arby's, medium for Checkers, basket for McDonald's, and medium for here.
Okay, so total so far. With the lowest score so far, Arby's with a total of 18.5.
What did Lucas give him?
He gave him an 11.5. I gave him a 6. No, I gave him a 7. 7.
Yeah, because you didn't wash down your palate.
I did wash down my.
So I like the
Y'all want
chicken.
some more McDonald's fries?
Yeah.
Give.
You got them?
I'll just hold all the. Wait, where's the
I'm
fries
going to have
at?
to wash your palate if it's to get another one.
Okay. Wash it down, wash it down.
I might just name this video "How to Gain Weight."
You're weird. I need to gain weight. That's what Coach Shane said. Parker said. You know why?
Wow.
Because he said that if I gain more weight, I'm gonna be a fullback for Buckhorn, and I might get the
All
ball.
right, who is the guy? Dick Cookies?
Eat
Colby. What's his
Colby
name?
Calloway.
Nash.
Colby Nash.
Oh, is that what you?
He plays for Buckhorn and he's like 320
About number
pounds.
75. I think.
Oh yeah, that guy.
Thank you.
There's a rise.
All right, presentation.
What's presentation look like?
No, it's not much.
And that's that much.
It's not much of a presentation, but I'll hold it up.
They're not that hot either.
Oh God! Sonic.
We should have put that on the hot temperature.
Yeah, we put temperature. Yep. Nope. Take the bag.
Here.
Okay, there's one fry out.
I do like this presentation. Looks like it's like I don't even know.
Actually, they're not bad.
Bro, this tastes just like McDonald's.
Does it?
No, it tastes just, bro. It's gonna taste just like
This is Wendy's fries.
it's
but
Wendy's
larger.
fries.
No,
It's the same thing as Wendy's. That's where we were gonna go.
Wendy's used to have real fat fries when didn't they, Jason?
It's seriously Wendy's fries.
What? Steak
There's
fries.
Wendy's fries, but not as salty.
There's no salt.
There's no seasoning. Can I get seasoning a 0?
Yeah.
Actually, there's a lot of seasoning on it.
Not for mine.
But
I
I will
had a
say
lot.
this, I tasted it at McDonald's, and the first one I tasted had no salt on it. And then the second one was a normal salt at McDonald's.
How to gain weight? Do what we're doing. Go to Sonic, Checkers, Arby's, McDonald's, and Five Guys. Just get the fries and eat them.
They are good hot.
7 overall for me.
But you said these aren't hot?
No.
These are not hot at all. If they were hot, they would be winning.
I think so.
Really? Okay, I want one now.
They're seriously
Hey,
Wendy's
I'm
fries.
liking Checkers. I believe got #1 in my heart.
They're Wendy's fries, but basically.
There's so much stuff. I don't know where to put them.
Where are we going
Look
now?
I'm making a U-turn. Wings and go, baby.
We could do wings next time. Like sometime this summer, we can do whoever's
No,
the
pizza.
the best wing.
Pizza.
Pizza. We gotta do that this summer.
No, or chicken nuggets.
My chicken nuggets. Pizza.
Adam said Gordon was so nice. So, you know, he said he introduced me to every one of them and told them all this stuff and how long I've worked, you know, and I just not just with him,
Oh my
you
god.
know, all this stuff. And I just really appreciate
There's
it.
too many fries.
No, put your.
Oh, I'm stupid. I put my water down.
Okay.
So we can hold more fries.
Where do I put my pencil?
Okay, y'all gonna eat it? Y'all want to eat it, Five Guys?
Yes, I guess.
You'll like it. It's like a real grilled hamburger.
Oh, okay, but I wanted. Oh crap! I forgot I wanted Arby's. Okay, whatever.
Where is my
We eat
pencil?
Arby's all the time.
Can you give me that pencil so I can write down my score?
Your pencil fell on the floor.
I can't see.
Here's a pen. Don't lose
Here.
it.
There's too much stuff.
Y'all want to
down
put
here.
something in the bag or?
No.
Yeah, that might be a better idea.
No.
Not yet. Give me the bag just in case, though.
After let's put these in.
Yeah, we gotta put the basket.
There's still a basket in there.
I might just dump them in there.
Yeah. Those look good. I think I did some Checkers
No,
best.
no, Jake. Jake, at the end, we have to eat one of each fry at the same time.
That'll be good.
Okay, so pour Sonic's in here.
We're just gonna put every fry in the McDonald's bag.
Here, I'll do Checkers. Yeah, because look, we need to get rid of Checkers. There's not that many Checkers. Okay. Jake, I have a feeling we're gonna get confused with Sonic and McDonald's.
We're just gonna go and get a random fry. Okay.
All right.
Sonic.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now got a change in the schedule.
What?
We have now got a change in the schedule.
Wait, we do? Where are we going?
Burger King is entering.
No.
Can we go to Burger King and Five Guys?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
Burger King has entered a contest. We got
BK.
a late entry.
Just put BK.
I just put BK.
Okay.
Burger King in.
I think Burger King might be good because they don't use real fries.
Oh yeah.
Can I get their chicken fries instead?
Yeah. Can we get the chicken fries? Yes.
Yes, sir. They're winning. That's kind of not fair, but okay.
Nah, just get the normal fries.
Can we get normal fries and chicken fries?
Yeah. Yeah, one small fry, one small chicken fry.
Okay. Taste for Sonic. I'm gonna give that a 3.
I've already done
Seasoning a 0. Presentation a 4. Total score 7.
Sit out there. So
My score is 7. Total score 14.
And then, 7 and 7.
Yeah. Sonic coming out with a score of 14.
That's bad.
Arby's coming out with a total score of 18.5. Checkers with 19.5. And Mickey D's is still winning with 22 points.
See, isn't that funny that you wouldn't think it, but here McDonald's is on top. They're on top for a reason.
Because of the presentation. Because other daddy decides to get the bucket.
Basket. Well, the basket's just $3.
How much is the
Okay,
regular
okay,
fries?
that's another thing you can take into consideration, really. Okay, that basket at McDonald's was $3, and all those others were $2.50, around $2.50.
So in a basket, it's more than the double order. Don't you think there's 3 orders in a basket? So that's
Wow.
for money. You get like if y'all order that, that's y'all get more fries cheaper And if y'all order,
It's pretty much a large and a small fry combined.
Look, Mimi, look at this fry mayhem.
I see. What does it look like? Oh my god! To me,
And it tastes amazing.
send your daddy.
we need to mix up all
I
the
will.
checkers.
He won't
No,
know it on
no.
earth.
Don't send a picture yet until the video finishes. And
It's
all
at
the fries.
10%, so we gotta hurry up.
What?
My phone's at 10%.
Oh
Here.
crap! I should have brought my phone.
Something else, really.
They look just like him.
Here,
What?
Jay.
Him.
Looks like
No, his beards.
77. Here, put your phone on this. Will it reach?
Yeah, barely.
Like Justin knows.
This is one of those fast cars.
Jake, don't eat any checkers fries because there's only like 2. There's like 5 checkers fries left.
They're good. Check the